Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use private save for files on your OPPO A6x 4G smartphone. First of all, open Settings and then go to Security and Privacy menu. After that, you're gonna have to scroll down to Private Save. Open this menu, and in order to use a private save, you're gonna have to set a privacy password. To do that, select Set Password, then either enter the 6-digit password, or if you don't want to use 6-digit password and you want to replace it with another form, just select Use a different password type and select which password type you want to use. Enter the password and then enter it again to confirm. Then you're going to have to set up either a recovery email or a security questions in order to protect your password and be able to recover it in the future in case you forget it. So let's, for example, set a security question. In this case, we're going to have to select one of the available security questions or just create a custom one and then enter the answer into the following field. Tap Done. And this way we have just created a private save. Now we can move different files here, for example, images and videos, audio, documents, and other files. And the easiest way to do this is by selecting each category, tapping Add, and then selecting the items that we want to add into this private save. Tap Lock to confirm. And now these images and videos will only be able to for view in the private save and will be hidden from the Photos application. And the same with the rest of the files that we hide in the save. So we can hide audio, we can hide documents and other files. And that's how you do it. To access your save, just enter the password to it. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.